Nyora abasibati aseritkorirene ryogo chengera abasibati mensenki mali reri aritkoria ankioni go Afisi Women representative we county ya Kisii Dorisaburi kobwatrana nechinsemo ao ritkoria lero bakora etaro we kasensemo ya Kisii prisons asenchireyemo yogo sanga nawe kubwatuka obosemia ase abangina abare asegesbo asenseme yogo kwana chinga kiechoni go bakobasemia ase chimbwa echo babwente kworo kia ngakiane baraba kogendaka magega yo gukora egesibo nechinga kiwego baro kubore go cyase abantu ane nase binyoro kwenekya bunanko bariganya bare asenchera yo bwanchani chinga kibara irane ase chinga natari ko baunereria dipo nasanya namanke
bunechera yemo yo koro kyubwanchani ane nase bali bara segesibo kyogonchoreria inse yabisi yo mu Women Rep we county ya Kisii Doris Aburi ni garigania omojigomo nene wogo chengera abaswati ime ya Kisii prisons.
Era mangana twatwarire gaiga rero etwachicha buna partners and friends ba omongina bwe county mama Donya Doris Aburi abasani bae no bonsi barenge gaiga kurumambi paka bwairire iga na indi twachicha wo support the prison ye kuruku Kisii Women's Prison, a correctional facility. We are grateful Kiagera, our mama county was able to support Yabantaba, paka tuachira mwiga, tuakorira mangana gendera maiga. Team ya International Women's Day yo mwako yego tebanga, embrace in inclusivity. Yani, tobeka kero monto, nto tiga mongi nonde bwensi siko.
Bakubwatirana nebyo buna Minto Foundation, A Million Hugs, Equity Bank, Cooperative, amone binde binge. Nigo banyara koenana amaegelio yoko babeka ko banogosemelia kubogima buna abantu bande enga kibara kulegesibo kyabo asencherengiya. Nonyana bonigo twaboliwe ko bancherana asomo yomuya enga kibakoirana asechinka chiabo.
They are taken as sinners, but they are our sisters. It's better we embrace them. Today it will be me, today it's them, tomorrow it will be me. So I wish everyone from Minto Foundation to everyone outside there, our ladies, happy International Women's Day.
Kati yetu hata kule nje kuna watu wamefanya makosa mabaya zaidi. Kuna watoto wanakuwa defiled na hao watu ambao wana defile watoto, they are not behind bars. Kuna watu wana break into people's homes, kuna watu wanafanya all sorts of crimes, ni vile hawajashikwa. So hatuwezi kuwa so quick to judge mtu mwenye yeye alikubali kwamba alifanya makosa fulani na akakuwa released kwenda after some time akakuwa released back to society. We take them and we also help rehabilitate them even in our society.
Igere byanga twenyora abantu buna abayiga bale asebona makosa ali bakorete ngonya ko bale kureke pishu bale ekero umuntu akwira na muna madam akwana ekero umuntu akwira na sekenyoro ngakitoko mukaribisha ngaki asebinyoro byeto ntore no bwamo bwo koteba ngaki nago site yakagenda lakini uiranire ekereranire ngencho kitoko mukaribisha iko toba bantaba abatoero toba bantaba ya ndelio toba embrace karabaira na sebinyoro byeto sengencho no baruna abantu baetera mangana makom
komenta na yweni go basemigo kubwatia lichiko kubwatekana na mamocho asebaenekeliwa kero jomo nareneri mocho liaje ekiganeirie no gwancherana na gokoro gonchoreria.
There is nobody who is above sin. In one way or another, you may find yourself committing a crime, or you may find yourself doing something that is unpleasant or against the law. And somehow you can find yourself behind such a facility. The only thing we promote is that we take control of our emotions, and we also try as much as possible to live within the requirements of the law. However, should somebody come to such a facility and then they are released to go back out there to the society, surely it is our duty as fellow Kenyans, as human beings, to embrace them. Let us not judge them for the crimes they may have committed if indeed they have atoned for their sins.
Giko ripoti liga taseni kia onambe ya mu kia Ndizi TV kurua Kisii prisons yuko toka imeje county ya Kisii eletriane ndipon asanya.